Hello everyone. Good morning everyone. I Garima Jain is here again with you with a new theorem, that is basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem means it is the theorem which is based on the proportions of a side of triangle. See the statement. What does the theorem say? If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, here it is told that suppose they are having one triangle. Let us have this triangle ABC. In this triangle, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of the triangle, suppose to the side BC, if we have drawn DE parallel to BC, intersects the other two sides. Here, this line says that this parallel line DE, which is parallel to BC, it intersects the other two sides at two distinct points, divide in the same ratio. Then these points divide both the sides in same ratio. It means we are given from here that if DE is parallel to BC, then we have to prove that AD upon DB is equals to AE upon EC. These 2 points intersect the side in equal ratio. This is what we have to prove. Equal ratio means AD upon DB becomes equals to AE upon EC. Now to prove it. For proving it, first of all we will do a construction. What's the construction? Join BE DC, also draw perpendicular on AD and on AE from point E and D. What we have done? Construction we have done like join BE and CD. Also we have drawn EN perpendicular on AD and DN perpendicular on AE. This is our construction. Now see how to prove it. For proving it, what we will do? First of all, we will find out the area of the triangle ADE. If we find the area, then area of triangle AGE divided by this area. Okay, what we have done? Area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle BDE. Now see, what is the area of triangle ADE? Area of triangle ADE will become 1 by 2 into base. What is the base from here? Base is AD. And what will be the height? What is the area first of all? Area of triangle क्या होता है? Area of triangle is 1 by 2 base into height. From here, if we consider the base as AD, यदि हमने बेस को AD माना, then in that condition, what is the height? EN will be the height. So from here 1 by 2 into AG into EN upon area of triangle BDE. What is the area of triangle BDE? Area of triangle BDE will become 1 by 2. Let us consider the base as BD. अगर हमने बेस को सपोज करा BD into what will be the height here? Yes, what is the height? The height is again EM. Why EM? See, we know that in any triangle, suppose this is a triangle. In any triangle, what is the altitude? Altitude is always a perpendicular line towards the base. बेस की तरफ जो परपेंडिकुलर लाइन होती है उसी लाइन को एल्टीट्यूड कहा जाता है. एल्टीट्यूड मीन्स हाइट. In the same way, if we consider this triangle, if we are having this triangle DBE, in this triangle, if we take the base as BD, if BD is the base, then what will be the height? The height is a line which is perpendicular towards the base. Height क्या होगी? इस बेस की तरफ जो perpendicular line फॉल हो रही है, that is the height. From here, what is the height for this base? From the opposite vertex, EM is the height. So again, BD into EM. From here, half and half get cancelled. EM and EM get cancelled. What does we get? Area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle BDE is equals to AD upon BD. Let us consider this one is equation number 1. See, we need to prove that this AD upon DB is equals to AE upon EC. That's why we have taken the area such that we get these sides. ठीक है, हमें यहाँ प्रूफ करना है कि AD upon DB इक्वल है AE upon EC के. तो इस ट्रायंगल में से हमने ऐसे ट्रायंगल्स का एरिया फाइंड करा जिसके थ्रू वी गेट द रेशियो ऑफ ईच साइड्स. In the same way, we need to find out the ratio of AE and EC. For this, again we will take the areas of triangle for the side AE. Again for the side AE, we can take the area of triangle ADE. So again, area of triangle ADE upon second time we will take the area of triangle CDE. Because now we know we need the side CE. So now take the area of triangle CGE. Again put up the formula for area of triangle. 1/2 into base. अब base क्या कंसीडर करेंगे? Which side we need? कौन सी साइड हमें चाहिए? AE. So we will consider the base as AE. For the side AE, what is the height? Height is the side which is perpendicular on AE. AE पर जो perpendicular side है, which is the perpendicular side? DN. So this will become AE into DN upon again 1/2 into base into height. What is base? For the second triangle we can take base as CE into height again DN. Same way for CE, the side, the length which is perpendicular towards the base. साइड CE के लिए हाइट क्या होगी? जो CE की तरफ परपेंडिकुलर लाइन है, which is perpendicular line here DN. So DN will be the height. DN get cancelled, half and half get cancelled. So what is the remaining term? Area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle CGE is equals to AE upon CE. Now see, from first and second equation, we can see here that the sides which we need to make equal, that we get AD upon DB, this ratio we have got, AE upon EC, this ratio also we have got. But what do we need? We need that both these ratios should be equal. This is the demand of the theorem. that the ratios should be equal. So how you will make the ratios equal? For making the ratios equal, we should prove here that the ratio of this area is equal to the ratio of this area. ये हमें प्रूव करना है कि इन दोनों एरियाज का रेशियो इक्वल है. इसके लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल चेक द न्यूमरेटर. सी हियर द न्यूमरेटर इज एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ADE. अगेन हियर द न्यूमरेटर इज एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ADE. अब किसी भी ट्रायंगल का एरिया आप साइड को कितना भी रोटेट करें, क्या कभी एरिया में कोई चेंज आएगा? नहीं, एरिया में कोई चेंज नहीं आएगा. It means either we take the bases AD or we take the bases AE. There is no change in the area of these triangles. So we will get that the numerators are equal. Now what is to prove that the denominator should also be equal? So can you see in this figure, how can we say that both the denominators area is equal? Or how can you say here that area of triangle BDE is equals to area of triangle CDE? How can these two areas be equal? Just recapitulate class 9 theorem. In class 9 we have learned some of the theorem between the parallel lines. Which is that theorem? Yes, the theorem is that the triangles on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. You can see that triangle BDE and triangle CDE both lies on the same base. It is on the same base DE. Yes. It is between the same parallels. Yes, it is between the same parallels. So the triangles between the same base and the same parallels are equal in area. By theorem, triangles on the same base and between same parallels are equal in area. Therefore, from here we can write that area of triangle BDE is equals to area of triangle CGE. Now see in equation 1 and 2. In equation 1 and 2 both the numerators are equal in area. Both the denominators are also equal in area. तो अगर न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों का एरिया इक्वल है, then their ratio will also be equal. Yes. So by equation 1 and 2, we will get here area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle BDE is equals to area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle CGE. And if these are equal, therefore AD upon DB is equals to AE upon EC. This is what is the demand of the theorem. This is the thing which we have to prove. So what we have proved here, that if in a triangle any line is parallel to any one of the side of the triangle, then the point of intersection divides the other two sides in equal